Hi, this is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and you're listening to the Good Morning Minute of Inspiration podcast. Each day we bring you a short inspirational message to kick off your morning and to put you into positive attitude needed to succeed and to win the day. Yes, win the day. Well, good morning out there, Move Forward Nation of listeners, and thank you for downloading episode number 429 here in our second year of this podcast. Our quote for today: progress. To start, rebuild, or just change the attitude within. That's how you get progress. Progress. To start, rebuild, or just change the attitude within. Hey, we're going to take a short break here from one of our great sponsors. We'll come back, discuss that quote of the day, and a few other things here at Inspirational University, home of the Good Morning Minute of Inspiration podcast. We'll be right back. Showtime Performance Training, Speed, Agility, and Quickness, SAQ. Speed. Do you need to get to the next level? Every athlete needs speed. Speed is a winning advantage that you don't have to leave to chance. We use a proven formula based on biomechanics and motor control to develop speed you can use in your sport. We offer an 8-week sessions with our personal speed trainer. We also have a camp rate, which we can come to your location. We have individual rates and team rates. Go ahead and sign up for our speed, agility, and quickness training today and gain that speed, agility, and quickness that you're looking for. For additional information, go on over to ShowtimeSAQ.com. That's ShowtimeSAQ.com. Showtime Performance Training, Speed, Agility, and Quickness Training at ShowtimeSAQ.com. Well, welcome back to our show. We're here at Inspirational University, where we help you with positive instruction and training in business startup, business management, self-improvement, and health and wellness programs. Can you use a mentor, coach, or consultant to help with your business or with self-improvement? If so, join our Mastermind group today. For further information, you can find us at inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Yes, our quote of the day: progress. To start, rebuild, or just change the attitude within, you must begin with progress, folks. You got to have some kind of progress. You got to have something to move you forward. We tell you, when you're trying to achieve a goal, you got to start doing what's necessary. What is the goal? This works for personal goals. This works for athletic goals. This works definitely for business goals. And a goal could be a problem, folks. Most goals are problems, and the goal itself is to solve the problem. To start, rebuild, or just change the attitude within, you must begin with progress. You got to have some form of progress. Let me put it to you in athletic terms, or taking over teams that are down, athletic teams that are down. I've become pretty good at this. I've kind of become known as the person who comes in and rebuilds cultures and rebuilds attitudes and traditions and of programs that are down. So, and I always tell you, you got to begin with some kind of progress. You got to do something, and that progress is probably your message, the way you're going to do things. You know, I come in a football program, and we talk a lot about building the mindset of a champion. We're going to change everything that we do. We're going to work like a champion. We're going to play like a champion. We're going to be a champion in the classroom. And all of that stuff will lead to championships. But the only way you can become a champion is you got to learn to commit. You got to learn to trust. You got to learn to prepare. That's what we're talking about. To start, rebuild, or change the attitude within, you must begin with progress. So you need some form of progress. To us, goal setting is progress, because each and every day you're completing one of your tasks, which are getting you closer to finishing an action step, which are getting you closer to completing your goal and achieving. That's what goal setting's all about. So I'm challenging you today. You got to start somewhere. You got to have some kind of progress. So I'm challenging you. If you're not a goal setter, if you haven't taken our courses, on goal setting, which you can get over there at inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. If you haven't done any of that stuff, I'm challenging you today. Write down one thing that you want in the next 30 days. Now, it's got to be realistic, folks. Can you get it in 30 days? And if you can't think of anything and it's got to be longer than 30 days, put the date on it when you want to accomplish it. Now break it down into action steps. What do I need to do to accomplish that goal? Write down each and every step. And then take them steps. And then you break into finer tasks, the little smaller tasks. What is everything I need to do to complete this action step? Then you take the task and put them in your schedule each day. Put 5 of them in there. Even if you only finish 1, you are closer today than you were yesterday to achieving and accomplishing your goal. That's progress. But you had to start. I'm telling you, start with 1, test this system out, and I guarantee you'll end up doing more and more and more and more. Here's the thing. To start, to rebuild, or just change the attitude within, you must begin with progress. You have to start by doing what's necessary. There's necessary things that you need to do to accomplish a goal. Then you need to do what's possible. What possibly can I do to accomplish this goal? And folks, the magical thing about goal setting is when you write it down, you break it into action steps, and you schedule them tasks each and every day, it forms a habit. And each and every day you want to get closer to your goal, and you want to get there. And guess what? Suddenly, you're doing the impossible. It's a little quote that I like to hang above my desk because I'm known as a rebuilder of programs. And that's kind of what I do. I go into the worst of the worst and try to turn them around. Now, we don't do, we have to change cultures. We have to change mindsets. We have to change your mindset into a champion mindset. And it always is a little quote above my desk. To start, rebuild, or just change the attitude within, you must begin with progress. Start by doing what's necessary, then what's possible, and suddenly you're doing the impossible. Folks, applies to athletics, applies to schoolwork, applies to your personal life, definitely applies to your business life. To start, rebuild, or just change the attitude within, you must begin with progress. Start by doing what's necessary, then what's possible, and suddenly you're doing the impossible. That's a goal setter. Goal setters achieve the impossible because they're not dreaming. They're not just thinking about it. They're not just interested in something. They're committed to something. They've written it down, they put a date on it, and they're breaking it into action steps, and they're scheduling tasks each and every day, and they're working towards completing their goals. And that's why I say goal setters will get everything they want in life. Yes, they will. Because they know how to achieve. They know how to work towards it. They know how to move forward each and every day with the steps because they developed the mental toughness. They developed the ability to move forward under pressure. Folks, if you need any information on any of this stuff, you need any help with any of this stuff, 1, we got that great course out there on goal setting. 2, we got another course out there on passion, how to make it your career. But any help you need, any questions you have, any comments you need, or any comments you may have, anything you'd like to talk about, please email me, coachjrp@gmail.com. It's coachjrp@gmail.com. We also have that free booklet out there, the 5 P's to Success. Yes, I hope you got your free copy. You can get it over at our website, inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. It's a 10-page booklet on building the mental toughness to succeed, the ability to move forward under pressure. It's the 5 P's to success: passion, perception, perspective, progressing, and perseverance. We show you how to use them 5 P's to develop that mental toughness, that ability to move forward under pressure. Get that over at our website, inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Little pop-up window, put your information in. We send it out to you free of charge. Or there's a link in the show notes below, so you go ahead and get that. If you're an iTunes subscriber, we're asking you today to go over, spend 30 seconds, give us a review, a 1-star to a 5-star. The 5 stars help us promote this podcast out to more and more people. And that's our goal here. Bring a little inspiration to the world each and every morning. Hey, if you have a question for me, you'd like to have something discussed on our show, maybe you got a favorite quote you'd like us to feature on the podcast, please drop me an email, coachjrp@gmail.com, coachjrp@gmail.com. And as always, folks, your generous donations of even just $1 a month will go a long way to keeping this positive information flowing to the world. If you can, and if you would, and if you like what we do, please donate. go over to our website, inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Hit the red heart there and make your donation today. We appreciate all the donations that come in. This is Coach P. Jim Pusateri, and my passion is to educate and inspire people to move forward towards success. How can I help you develop the mental toughness to succeed? How can I help you understand that to start, rebuild, or just change the attitude within, you have to begin with progress, meaning you got to get started, folks. You got to become a goal setter. I'm telling you, dreamers dream, goal setters achieve. You need to start goal setting today. Take my challenge. List one goal on a piece of paper. Put a date on it when you want to achieve it. Break it into action steps. Break the action steps into smaller tasks. Schedule a task each and every day, and you will accomplish that goal, and you will then understand the power of goal setting, the power of developing mental toughness, the ability to move forward under pressure so you can get past the rough parts in life, the pressures in life that are going to come at you. That written plan of action, that's the key. Goal setting. To start, rebuild, or just change the attitude within, you must start with progress. Have yourself a great day today. Get out there, take our challenge, progress along, move forward. This is Coach P, and I'm out. Hey, Coach P here at Inspirational University, helping you with positive instruction and training in business management, self-improvement, and health and wellness programs. Have you taken advantage of our digital online courses yet? We have 2 courses out there. The first one is Dream Job, Finding Your Life Passion. This course helps you in figuring out what your passion or purpose is in life and how to make it your career, so you go about your day doing what you love to do and never work a day in your life. Dream Job, Finding Your Life Passion training course. The second one is Goal Setting, Your Life Mission or Blueprint. This course takes you from being a dreamer to becoming a goal setter. Dreamers dream, but goal setters achieve. This is a step-by-step process on how to write down your goals, break them into action steps, and then into tasks that are scheduled daily to achieve success or whatever it is you want out of this life. Yes, go on over to inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Hit the courses menu and go ahead and order your copy today of one of our exciting online trainings. Dream Job, Finding Your Life Passion, or Goal Setting, Your Life Blueprint. That's inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Inspirational University, helping you with positive instruction and training in business management, self-improvement, and health and wellness programs. Inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com.